Question number 6, and here is written, check whether minus 150 is a term of this AP. Okay, here A equal to 11, D, that is common difference, will be A2 minus A2 equal to 8 minus A equal to 11. So D will be minus 3. Now let's assume AN, that is last term, is minus 150. Now let's find N, or number of terms, and we have formula. That formula is A plus N minus 1 into D equal to AN, and here A equal to 11 plus N minus 1, D equal to, we have obtained minus 3 equal to, and N equal to, we have minus 150. Now 11 as it is, and here plus into minus, minus 3 into n, 3n. Similarly, minus into minus, plus 3 ones are 3, equal to minus 150. Again, minus 3n equal to minus 150, and here this 11 and 3, after adding we obtain 14, and this plus 14 goes to RHS and becomes minus 14. Now again, minus 3n equal to, and minus 150 and minus 14, after adding we obtain minus 164. Now this sign of subtraction and this will be cancelled out, and here remains n equal to 164 by 3. And here we came to know this n is not n integer, so we can write the value of n is not an integer, so minus 150 is not the term of given AP. Question number 7, and here is written, find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Okay, here is given 11th term, that is A11 is 38. Similarly, 16th term, that is A16 is 73, and here we need to find its 31st term, that is A31. For that, firstly we need to find its first term, that is A, and common difference, that is D. So firstly let's find common difference and first term over here. According to general form of AP, we can write this A11 as A plus 10D, and it is equal to 38. and it is our first equation. Similarly, this A16 can be written as A plus 15D, and it is equal to 73, and it is our second equation. Now subtract equation 2 from equation 1, and in doing so the sign of the terms which are getting subtracted will be changed. So here will be minus, and here also minus, and here also minus. Now this A and this A can be cancelled out, and here minus 15D and plus 10D. After subtracting, we obtain minus 5D equal to, and here also minus 73 and plus 38. After subtracting, we obtain minus 35, and this sign of subtraction and this sign of subtraction can be cancelled out, and here D equal to 35 by 5. Now 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35. In this way, here we have obtained D equal to 7. D equal to, here we have obtained 7. Now by putting the value of this D in equation 1, we can obtain the value of this A, right? So here our first equation is, okay, let's solve over here. A plus 10D equal to 38. Now A plus 10 into D equal to, we have just obtained 7 equal to 38. Now A equal to 38, and here 10 sevens are 70, and this 70 goes to RHS and becomes minus 70. Now finally, after subtracting 38 from 70, we obtain the value of A is minus 32. In this way, here we have obtained the value of A is minus 32. Now we can easily find its 31st term, right? Okay, let's find over here. Here we need to find 31st term, or A31. A31, and this A31 can be written as A plus 30D. Now A equal to, we have obtained minus 32 plus 30 into D equal to, we have 7. Now minus 32 plus, and here 7 zeros are 0 and 7 threes are 21. Now finally, after subtracting 32 from 210, we obtain the value of A31 is 178. In this way, here we have obtained A31, which is 178.